Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable notifications in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Step 1, open up Google Chrome, which I already have right here. Step 2, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then step 3, click Settings. On the left, click Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Click Notifications. To enable notifications, make sure this option is ticked right here. Sites can ask to send notifications. And if you don't want notifications, make sure this is ticked. Now you can also customize certain sites as well through these options below. The first one is not allowed to send notifications. You can do that by clicking the add button right here and adding the certain website you want. Then click add. And for the second option, it says allow to send notifications. You can do the same by just clicking the add button and adding the website here. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable notifications in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.